In this video, we will guide you through how to move Steam games between different drives, create multiple Steam library locations, and manage your games without having to reinstall them. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you have more than one drive on your PC, this can be really useful. For example, you might have Windows and Steam installed on your main drive but want to move your larger game into another SSD to free up space. So let's get started. First, open up Steam and at the top left corner, just go ahead and click on the Steam icon and then just go to settings. From here, just go ahead and choose the option labeled as storage, and after that, you see your available drive. If you don't see your drive listed here, you can just go ahead and click on it, and then you should see an option for add drive. So just go ahead and click on it, and now Steam will let you choose another drive. For example, if your current games are on C drive and you have another SSD or hard drive available, you can select that drive here. You can also choose the option to let Steam select another location manually. This is useful if you don't simply want to use the default location on the drive. You can choose a specific folder, create a new folder, and use that as your library. So for that, just go ahead and click on the drop down and then click on let me choose another location. After that, just go ahead and click on add, and your file explorer should successfully open. And now navigate to the folder where you want to move your files. So let's say I want it inside volume D and then name it something like games. After that, I'll just go inside the folder and click on select folder. And now that folder will also be successfully selected. So now when you click on the drop down, you can see there will be two options. Now you will have multiple Steam libraries available. Now let's look at how to move games that are already installed. Once you are still inside of the settings, go to storage once again, and then here you should see all of the games available on your PC. So let's go ahead and select the game that you want to move. So let's say I want to move this particular game. I'll just go ahead and select it and click on move, and then select the new move location and then click on move. Just click on yes if prompted. After that, you can see mine failed because I don't have enough storage, but if you have, it will successfully finish. This is also a great way to free up space on your Windows drive. If your C drive is getting full because of last game, you can move some of those games into another drive instead of deleting them. You can also use this setup when you have dedicated gaming SSD. For example, you could keep the Windows and small application on your C drive while keeping your large Steam library on D drive. If you have several drives, you can create multiple Steam library locations and decide where each game should be stored. One thing to remember if you are using mods or mod manager is that moving a game can change its installation path. So if you already have a mod manager configured to that game, check its setting after moving the game. You may need to update the game's location so the mod manager knows where the game is now installed. Steam itself should handle the game location automatically, but third-party tool may still be pointing out to the old folder. And that's how you can manage multiple Steam library and move your existing Steam games between drives without reinstalling them.